Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Sales coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our morning time, drive time update, guys. And, we need to talk serious here for a second, guys. Remember, this video is not financial advice. And I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. So we need to get real serious. We need to talk about crypto. What is going on with crypto? And I know a lot of you are wondering what happened because you saw that today, earlier, about 4 or 5 hours ago, you saw Bitcoin went all the way up to 44,000. And then it's come all the way down to where it is right now, and it's trading between 42,500 and 42,700. So you're all probably wondering what is going on, and because of all of that, you're seeing that most of the altcoins are also going down right now. And, Dogecoin, though, surprisingly, Dogecoin is showing some positivity in the house. So you guys are probably wondering what is going on and why is this all happening? Well, there was a couple of catalysts out there, some major events that happened in New York, in the U.S., and one of the big events that caused Bitcoin to go all the way from about 44,100, 44,200 to go down to where it is right now. I mean, it has recovered a little bit. It went as low as 43,100, 43,200. So really, what has caused this huge landslide? Well, it's very simple. The jobless data came out in the U.S. Late in the morning. And what happened was, because the jobless report was worse than expected, meaning there was more job claims, meaning that there's more jobs out there, this caused the hedge fund managers and all of the traders on Wall Street to dump their stocks. And the reason that they dumped their stocks is because, as you know, Jeremy Powell was talking about, he's going to get the economy under control. Things are not looking so bad, da-da-da-da-da-da. And then we had this jobless report, which really said and told us that things are not looking as good as he had said. So this was, of course, an overreaction by Wall Street, as usual, because they love to overreact over there. And because of that, we saw that the S&P was down, the NASDAQ was down, the Dow Jones was down. So everything kind of went down. It was kind of a cascading event. So this kind of spilled over to Bitcoin. So that is the first reason why we're seeing a Bitcoin go down. And when Bitcoin goes down, you all know what happens is everything else goes down. So that's what we saw. That's what's happening. Also, the other thing that's happening right now, as you guys all know, and if you do watch my other videos, you would know what I'm talking about. And if this is your first time to watch the OG in the house, I'm telling you right now, go down there, smash the likes, and subscribe and comment, guys. The other reason that we're seeing Bitcoin going down is, as you know, that Friday New York time, and right now here in Vietnam it is Friday morning Vietnam time, so that would make it late evening in the US time. So in approximately 12 to 18 hours we're going to see that it's going to be Friday, and we have about $750 million worth of futures expiration. So what that means is, you can see that this is what's going to happen, is that the market makers are going to be manipulating the market. And that is one of the reasons why we saw this huge flash. We did see that Bitcoin kind of flashed up to the upside, guys, and it went up to 44,000, and then after that it tumbled all the way back down. So this was the market makers basically wiping out about $300 million worth of leveraged longs. So these guys got wiped out, and of course most of these leveraged longs that got wiped out are retail traders. Okay, they don't know anything about chaos theory. And remember, the crypto market is about chaos theory. You can never predict what the markets are going to do. They're always going to do the opposite of what you think is going to happen, right? That's just the way things are. So guys, wake up out there. Stop leverage trading. So what happened was, it bumped up, it shot up. It came all the way down. Now we had $300 million worth of leverage longs that got wiped out. So a lot of these leverage traders, they're going to ape back in and what they're going to do is they're going to take short positions now. So they're going to be taking short positions, huge short positions, because they want to basically make up the gains that they lost when they thought that Bitcoin was going up. So they're taking short positions. So once again, and then with these short positions, we have this whole death cross that's happening as well. And so they're taking advantage of that, and they're going to think that BIT is going to go down. So absolutely, what's going to happen is Bitcoin is probably going to drop. I would say it's probably going to get pretty close to 42,000. Could even go as low as 41,900, around that range. And then what you're going to see is a huge spike to the upside, and that is going to be the market makers basically manipulating the market to the upside and to wipe out all these short positions. So we could see, that most of these leverage positions are going to get wrecked. You're probably going to, out of 100% of all the leverage positions, you're probably going to see that maybe maximum 5% will actually make any money. Everyone's going to get wrecked out there. Also, we're seeing that the funding rate that was negative last week is now turning positive. So it's going to be costing you more and more to take leverage positions out there. So, and these margin calls are going to be coming in. So, people are going to be panicking. The leverage traders are going to be panicking, and they're going to be losing their shirt. And, it just goes to old adage, what you should be doing out there. You should never, ever, ever leverage trade, because remember, crypto markets are highly unregulated, and it's the market makers that are out there, and their job is to make sure that you get wrecked in the house, guys. The other thing we need to talk about as well is that in this business, overall, you guys have to really just wake up. And if you want to time the markets, it's really impossible to time the markets. That's why the overall strategy moving forward is you guys just need to take it easy, dollar cost average, and hodl. And that is the fundamental way to stay healthy, stay sane, because I know a lot of you are, you're looking at your portfolio every 5 seconds, and you're psyching yourselves out. You guys just have to stop that. Don't look at your portfolio. There's going to be volatility. There's going to be ups and downs. But I can tell you that we have a lot of huge catalysts out there that are fundamentally changing the landscape of cryptocurrency for the future and forever. We have Tonga right now who announced that they're going to have Bitcoin as a legal tender, and they're following the footsteps of El Salvador. So that is huge, huge, huge in the house, guys. So you guys don't understand how big that is. We also have Argentina as well, that they have enabled Lightning Network as well, and basically their citizens will be able to buy, sell, transfer, receive, and a lot of merchants are now going to be using the Lightning Network to allow a lot of retail transactions in a lot of retail shops. So, and that could be the catalyst, the next catalyst that allows Argentina to be able to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender, right? So also we have Turkey out there. And we're not talking about Turkey, the Thanksgiving bird. We're talking Turkey, the country, okay? And their lira is fundamentally dropping, and a lot of their citizens are moving into crypto. So at some point, because of inflation is out of control over there, they may in fact be moving towards Bitcoin as legal tender. So these are some of the huge catalysts that are coming out from that perspective. So what you should be doing, you should have to understand that what you're seeing in terms of leverage positions, you're only seeing about 24% of the Bitcoin out there. This is what they're fighting for, because the balance of the 75% of the Bitcoin out there has been taken off exchanges, and it's been held either by private wallets or, in your phone. If you've got a Bitcoin, Bitcoin.com app in your phone, it's being held by you. So that's why you need to hold strong. And if you look at right now, the inflation rate in the U.S. is out of control, and it's going to be going higher and higher and higher, and it's not going to stop. And, the best hedge against inflation right now, as we all know, is Bitcoin. Absolutely, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are a good hedge against inflation. So you're probably asking yourself, so Daryl, what should I do out there if I'm watching this in YouTube land? Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, BYB, and comment. What you should be doing is, one, stop panicking Every time you guys see the dippy whips, and remember, I'm not going to jump into some technical analysis and the pi cycle indicators and all of this stuff, because I don't think you need that. What you need is you need Papa OG out there to sit the children down and tell you, guys, calm down, relax. I believe that 2022 is going to be a humongous year. I mean, 2021 was not a fantastic year for crypto. It was a good year, and we saw more consolidation in 2021. And 2021 was a kind of a wacky year because the months that we expected Bitcoin to rise and go crazy, it actually didn't. We actually had like December, November. Moonvember turned out to be a Debbie Downer, right? In October, Debbie Downer. So we had months that traditionally should be good weren't good, and that's why I believe that this whole bull run has been extended, and this whole 4-year cycle from pump to dump has been invalidated, and a lot of TA experts are telling us that this cycle is not over. So what you should be doing, quite frankly, is do absolutely nothing. Don't panic, and if you do have stable coins on the sidelines, it's a good opportunity to DCA into top projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum. You want to have a really diversified portfolio, and that's really key, guys. Have a diversified portfolio, have some Bitcoin, have some Ethereum, and then also too, as I've been talking about, the layer 1 protocols like Phantom is going to the moon, guys. Phantom is still up today. Layer 1 protocols like Phantom, Avalanche, Dot in the house, Solana. These protocols over the long term are going to be sustainable, and we're going to have growth. Look at Harmony today. Harmony is also up right now as well. So these are some of the projects that you want to look at. Do a search on the internet and go to DeFi Llama and look at the total TVL locked in those, and then look at the top 7 to 8 projects, guys. So go to www.defilama.com. Check that out, guys, and just take a look at the top projects out there. And these are some of the things that you want to be looking at. Also, the other thing that's really going to be hot, I think, in 2022 is going to be gaming, metaverse, like Mana, YGG, Sandbox, Gala. So these are some projects that you want to look at. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just something that you want to look at. Take your time, look at it, and see if this is right for you. So overall, even if you don't have any of these altcoins, even if you don't have the Dogecoin, you definitely want to be looking at the top 5 to 6 projects. Definitely you need to have some exposure to Bitcoin. You want to have some exposure to Ethereum. That's what I'm doing. That's what I have. You want to have a diversified portfolio. So look at some layer 1s. Look at some top gaming tokens. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum. So that's what you should be doing overall. So, where do I see cryptocurrency in the next week or so? You're probably going to see that there's going to be some huge volatility this Friday. You're probably going to see that the volumes are going to go up. And let's see. I mean, I believe that, all these short positions are going to get wrecked. I believe we're going to have a short squeeze happening, and we could see Bitcoin returning back up to 44,000. So that's what I think is going to happen. I could be wrong. Like I said, crypto is about chaos theory, and chaos is the name of the game, and the markets will do often exactly the opposite of what you think they're going to do. So, guys, hopefully this was interesting. Hopefully this, helped you and making you feel a little bit more comfortable where the crypto is. So at the end of the day, what you should be doing is take it easy, relax, don't panic, enjoy your weekend. You got a weekend coming up, guys. And to all my brothers and sisters out there, I just want to say God bless you. Love it, love it, love it. You got to love it. I love it. So guys, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes one more time, likey, subscribe, BYB, and be blessed, guys. Absolutely be blessed. Please go check out the merch if you want to, and check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel, and just God bless you guys. I just want to make a real casual video to make you guys feel a little bit better. So hopefully this has helped. Don't panic in the house, guys. Things are okay. It's okay. Pat yourself on the shoulder. It's okay. So this is the OG. I'm out. God bless you. See you in the next one. Woo!